Hi. Oh, hi, Demonic Princess. And hi, Casper Dragon Wolf. How are your evenings going? Good to hear, good to hear. Let's see, where did I leave off last time? Oh right, I was adding those particle effects. I want to finish those up. Came to say hello before I go to sleep. Well, thanks for stopping by. And I hope you sleep well. And I feel like I missed some settings on some of these. Food break. I like that little cat with the little slice. Let's see. No, the app doesn't let me put the sunglasses. Oh no! Little pizza cat can't have his cool sunglasses. Or her sunglasses, sorry. Or their sunglasses. Where is... Yeah, I feel like I forgot to put... What was it? Explosiveness back on the particles? Wait, I didn't put it on you yet. Didn't put it on you. We're not using you. Not using you. Okay. Destroyed particles. Yeah, explosiveness is what we needed. And the randomness. That was the other thing I didn't really figure out. I was watching myself messing around with these, and I thought I had randomness figured out. Okay, and if I turn it all the way down, yeah, I can't tell a difference. Maybe? Well, maybe. I'll leave it all the way up, just 'cause it'll be funny. Oh, thanks for the warm fuzzy, Demonic Princess. And sorry if I missed it. I still need to get used to checking for those. Yep, Heart's back. Or Heart Cat's back. Oh yeah, and you said it was Tuesday that you're gonna play Fallout? I definitely want to check that out if you are. I have a chat notification app? That would be super helpful. I should probably set something like that up. Hi, lurking about. Hi, Jim. How's your evening going? And feel free to lurk anytime. That's kind of the theme I'm going for with this channel. Put me on in the background if it helps. Just ate. What did you eat? If I end end up doing everything on D2 tomorrow. I'll probably play it on Sunday. Alright. I will try to tune in. Chicken pot stickers. Sounds pretty tasty. I haven't had pot stickers in a long time. Might have to order some. Not tonight, though. Too late for those. Have weird dreams. The app is called Chatty. If you want, I can send the links of it tomorrow. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'll definitely look into that. I got them frozen from Walmart. Steamed them. Nice, nice. I suppose I could do that too. I've got most of the stuff. Although it probably wouldn't taste good with, like, the canned chicken I have. But I think I have the rest of the stuff. Maybe I can make, like, chickpea pot stickers. Or... I think the only fresh thing I have left is an onion. Chickpea and onion pot stickers. Sounds okay. I don't know. I really need to go shopping for some produce. I'm sorry I can't stay for longer. It's 10 before 5. Hope the stream goes well. Well, thanks. And yeah, don't worry. I'm just happy you stopped by. Particles on you. And how did we do that again yesterday? It was this one. And we have to make you unique. Change the particle amounts to that much. And load an emission mask. In here. You are the coin. Capture from pixel. Nice. We'll move you to there. Okay. Also, I need to change the time on you. Good, good. Did I get around to adding this in here? Yes. For you, prize remove. I need to make you. Start you at false. Create a timer. Call you... Wait, what was I naming these things again? Destroy effect timer. And you... destroyed particles. Good, good. You need to be one shot with some explosiveness. And boom. Nice. Then you need to link you up with the coin. And you are just self-queue free, I think. Yep. Also, let me know if the music is too quiet or too loud. I think last time I had it a bit too loud and I didn't realize it. I try to look at the audio mixer, but it's sort of a guess and test. because I can't really hear how you're hearing it. Whoops. No, what did I do? Particles? And you are... that one. Give you a whole bunch of them. Make you unique. Change the time to that. Explosiveness to that. Then we change you. Load emission mask. You are this one. We gotta change where you're centered. Thereabouts. Give you a timer. Rename to Destroy Effect Timer, not Timer. Destroyed particles? I'm pretty sure that's what I'm calling you. Yep. With how many times I have to check the name of these things, you'd think maybe I ought to name it something different. But I like this. I'm gonna go with it. Even if it's tough for me to remember for whatever reason. Alright, now we need this bit of code. Plop you in the prize remove area. Create this boolean. Now, that should be good. Wait, I need to set you to one shot. Did I do that to you? Yep. And the clover should be done. I think the book's all that's left. Give you a timer and some particles. Whoop, and take a sip. Tonight I'm having orange juice with coconut LaCroix. It's pretty tasty. Orange juice by itself is a bit too sweet for me. Let's change you to self, cube free. And let's rename you. Destroy effect timer. And destroyed particles. I think I remembered it that time. Then we gotta grab a little bit of code and plop you right in there. You are a Boolean, false, and I think we're good. Let's try it out. That's right, I changed the zoom level. I almost forgot about that. I think I might need to set the zoom back. Or make the level smaller? Or, I there's a way I could, like, dynamically adjust the zoom. Oh, I see a problem. The particles are rotating. I want them to always be facing down. Yeah, so this will go, yeah, if this is an upside down potion, particles will shoot up. Let's see, how can I solve that? I could have the particles be affected by gravity instead of having, maybe? Let's see. Or maybe I could just have them go out in all directions? That works, but only if local coordinates. Oh! Wait, if I just uncheck this, will that work? Where was that? Drawing. That might be what I need. Oh, I didn't even finish setting this one up. Make you unique. A whole bunch of them. Turn that off. Change your time. Change the particles to load a mission mask from the book. Okay. Now, let's do explosiveness. Not forgetting any other steps. Oh, right. To change your position. So, let's do drawing uncheck. And drawing uncheck. Drawing uncheck. Let's get you 2. And the sword. And the slime probably doesn't matter. Because I think I locked its rotation. So I don't think the slime can rotate. But I'm gonna set it anyways. Also, what the... Why did I name it that here and different everywhere else? Let's fix that quick. Got it. Okay. I think that should be good. Or rather, I hope it'll be good. Alright, let's see the coin rotate. Rotate some more, and... Nope. Still blasting off whatever direction it chooses. Also, I forgot to change that to one shot. Doop, doop. There we go. Now let's think. nodes, coordinate space is there. How can I solve it? Let's do direction. Angular velocity, no. Orbit, no. Angle. Let's leave you on emitting for now, so I can take a look. That doesn't look like that changes anything. Is it because I have a direction set? What if I did 0? Then it's just going in that direction. Let's see. I'll give you some gravity. Velocity? The gravity, it does nothing. What if I change you to 1? Is it because I have dampening set? Oh, that is it. Okay. We're getting there. That kinda looks like what I wanted. Alright, let's try adding this back in. Let's see, how did we do you before? Like 600? It was big to small. Whoops. I'll figure this out. I kind of like explosiveness all the way up. That's kind of neat. Alright, let's do that with the coin. And then in the test level, let's just plop a whole bunch of coins in there. Coin, coin, coin. There we go. Number of you. There. Whoop, not over there. And there. Let's try you out. Should be rolling. Oh. No, I don't think it's working. Yeah, it's going up. So... Oh wait, did I still have direction set? Yeah. The simple solution might be to just Make it so that it goes off in every direction and just falls apart. But there's gotta be a way, right? Let's see if I can figure it out. Angular velocity. I don't think that's what I need. I don't know. What is flatness? Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Is there a way to make it so that... Yeah, I could make it so that the rotation degrees of the effect doesn't change. I could lock it. Let's set you back to how I had you before. Let's get rid of you. Alright, what else do I have? Its direction. The spread is okay. No gravity. Initial velocity 300. Okay. That was the difference. Explosiveness 5. We had spread at 50. Here. All right. Now, true, the fractional concentration is smoother, just by effects. Did an ad just play? I think it might have. I tried to set it so that the least amount of ads would play. But they still, I think, like they will play ads. Like just, every so often. So I'm sorry if all of a sudden I get cut off. I'm still not used to seeing if an ad's gonna play. Right. The coin. We should be able to somehow lock this rotation. I think I can do it in code, but I don't know if I want to. You know what? I think I'll come back to this problem later. I won't worry any of you with that sort of stuff. So I think the next thing I want to work on is having different levels. Right now we've just got the one test level. It'd be kind of interesting if we could go from level to level. So let's do... I think I'm going to do it... I think I'm actually going to try and do it right this time. And make like a base level from which I can inherit new levels. So let's see what all is in here. Oh, I forgot to turn it off. Blop, blop. There we go. Let's get rid of these coins. Let's see. We need the claw machine. We need a prize spawner mover and a prize box. We need a background. And we need a tile map. I don't think we need this sprite. Actually, the prize box should have something to show that that's where you need to put the... Yeah, okay. I'll work on that real quick. Let's give you a sprite. You are going to be, for now, as a placeholder, the prize sign. We're just going to put you right there. Easy enough. Then we can get rid of you here. Get rid of that. The tile map. I've got all these extraneous ones that I don't really want. Let's see if I can edit those. Let's get rid of you. I think that's what we want. Now we've just got two. Got that one and that one. I think I just need to redo this. Block tiles. Cell size 32. Oh, there we go. There, that works. It's a bit small, but maybe that's for the best. Maybe. No shape, so it can't collide. Do I need to put... Now does it? I don't think it does. I think I need to redo this. I think I was trying to do a whole bunch of different things with that, and I don't think I understood it very well at the time. I'm not saying I understand it all that much better now, but maybe. Let's try adding an image, basic block, you, single tile. Zoom in on it. Define our region. Looks good. Define our collision. Like this. Don't need that or that. I think that's good. Then, is that really all I need? Let's call you, whoops, block tile set. And again, really small. Oh. What if I did 2 and 2 here? And then 32 and 32 here? Oops. I think that's what I want. Collision, you are going to be a wall. And you're going to search for prizes, claw. Hi, Quidgy Pixel. How's your evening going? The wall bouncer, the laser, and the blocks. Yeah. Good to hear that it's going fine. And that. And then I think that. Wait, no. I think I'm getting this set up right. Show collision. Visible in the editor. Okay. I do want that. Did that get rid of this warning? No shape. Still doesn't have a shape. But you should have a shape. Also, hi whoever else just started watching. How's your evening going? Let's see. Oh. Do I want to change this? Yeah, that's got it. Select collision. I mean, I think that's set up right. Well, let's just see. Can we collide into you? I mean, it's working. We're colliding with it. Let's see if we can drop a prize on it. Oh, it's forever going out of my grasp and out of the world. Oh, bye, slime. Oh. I didn't like that. Non-existent function get collision layer bit. Weird. There be no world to land upon. Oh, so it just keeps going? Is that what was causing that error? Or... I feel like the editor's trying to tell me something. This node has no shape, but I thought the tile map gave it a shape. Do I need to do a use parent there? Will that cause you to stop being upset, editor? Look at the yellow triangle icon next to your static body 2D. This node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with other objects. Consider adding a collision shape 2D. Nope, not for static body 2D. Oh, so you can't add a tile map? Gotta add a shape? How was I doing it before then? Did I just have the tile map just sort of floating out here? Tile map with use parent. Oh, so I need to change your instance to just collision? Needs a parent collision object 2D. Use it as a child of a static body 2D. Oh, so I do need to do that. Static? And I'm lagging behind way badly? Oh, don't worry about it. Tile map, then collision. In here you mean? Or do you mean tile set and collision? So pull the tile map out of collision and place collision into tile map? Like what you have named static body 2D, take it out of that. Okay, it's out. Then pull the tile, then place a collision into tile map. Like that. Then give it a shape. Like that. Wait. Place a collision shape 2D into tile map. Let me think. If true, this tile's collision shape will be added to the collision shape of the parent. Parent has to be a collision object, and this is a collision object. I'm pretty sure I want it like that. Okay, hold on. It's been a minute since I worked with collisions, since I've been working with Godot Manager. No worries. I appreciate all help. I feel like I had it like that. I don't think I had one of those. And I feel like this was working. Let me just me just kind of quickly do that and that. Just kind of blurp like that. There's my level. Wait, no. There's my level. Okay. So like, oh, that's not liking that. You need to set use parent. I could have swore I was trying that. Maybe I turned it off again. Where are you? Use parent. Okay. Let's try you again. And it drops. And it doesn't break. And it's not complaining in the editor. And we're back. We're back to where we were before. Okay. Good, good, good. So the tile map has been sort of fixed. It's simpler now, and I think I have everything I need to make the basic world that I'm going to use as almost like a template world, I guess I'd call it. Like I said, been a minute, so I had to go look. I appreciate it. And don't worry, I mean, we're all learning here together. Or at least I'm learning. Okay. Put you down there. The prize spawner mover, let's bring you in. There. Claw machine, like there. Gonna make you nice and small. Also, the tile map. I feel like I had the modulate set on you to look kind of nice and spiffy. There we go. Let's that big, and like, whoops, that big, and that big. You should be nice and small. Oh, that's not right. How are those things damaging me? Okay, let's take another look. I must have the collision set to be something that it's looking for. This thing. This thing. This thing. You. Your collision. Where do I go? Collision use parent. Oh. Oh, okay. You are wall. I don't think it needs to be looking for anything because I think everything should be looking for it. Unless I'm horribly mistaken and stuff just starts falling through the floor. Nope. It all seems to be working. I'm not getting damaged by just having stuff hit the floor. Well, something broke. Did I have I had a breakpoint set. I bet that was from when I was testing breakpoints. We don't need that anymore. is it just F9? Maybe? Okay, I'll figure this out. Debug. Is there a way to show all breakpoints? I feel like that was in player stats. Oh, I did turn it off. Okay. But let's just double check to make sure. Get a shield. Slime. Need to get a shield. Getting plenty of things that are not shields. It's gotta drop sometime. I mean, I guess it doesn't have to. There we go. Come here. Come here. Got you. Don't break. It didn't break. It's pushing away. I need to readjust the shield area. Keep getting stuck on these tangents. I had meant to create some different levels, but let's deal with this first. Bubble shield. Oh, I see. Right there. It's just outside. Alright. Let's make you bigger. You are... this one. Let's change your radius to... let's go 140. I'm just guessing. That looks about right. It should be enough. I think. Also, hi whoever just started watching. How's your evening going? I think that should work. Okay. Alright, let's save you. Put prize here. Oh dear. Actually, let's... now that we're on sort of a particle kick, let's make some cool particles for the shield, or not the shield, the prize area. I think I want it to be this. Your little dots. Do you want textures? No. Wait. Maybe? What do we have? The laser texture? That could be kind of cool. let's see. We want a box. Let's do 100, 100. All right. Then, actually, let's do maybe like 50 and 200. And let's do a bunch of them. Oh, maybe not that many. That's too many. Okay. Now let's do... Or maybe we want to do a ring. Maybe not a ring. Points? No. Points? No. Sphere? Whoa. The music just jumped. Oh, there it comes. It's catching up. Yeah, I think like this. Let's do a scale curve. Like that. Scale randomness. I don't know. I think I have to kind of agree with GokiDev. The randomness doesn't seem all that random. Angle? Whoa, hi. Angle curve. I wish there was a way to like lock the angle to like a point so they're all coming down like towards the same thing. Maybe. What's this do? That's kind of cool. Oh! Yeah! That's neat. Angle. What else do we have? Direction. Spread. 0, 1. I don't know. Flags. Align one. Yes! Okay. And they're all like being instanced. Okay, they're coming up like that, but I can fix that by using a scale. Hi, Lencius. It's going well. It's evening where I am. But I hope your morning's going well. This is your first time here, huh? Let me show you what I'm working on. Oh, nice. I'm working on a claw machine game with RPG elements in it. So you have to avoid these hazards. You got to collect these things to increase your gold. You collect books to get shields that will repel hazards. Got health potions, mana potions. The mana lets you fire lasers, so you can clear the area. And I just cleared a bunch of beneficial stuff, but all for display purposes. Oh, thanks. I wanted to choose a project that would let me learn the Godot engine, like all the different stuff about it. So I got physicsy stuff, I got stats, UI things. Um, I come from a background of doing systems engineering, so I kind of know my way around programming. Um, but I really wanted to learn how to make games, and the Godot engine just seemed the most fun. And thus far, the community's been super helpful and really nice. So I'm just super happy, and I hope to someday get to the level that that the others are, so I can kind of also help people. Yeah, that's awesome. Looks like you dived right in before using what you know. Yep, that's kind of the thing. Well, fun. I've used the other engines before, but Godot has definitely been the funnest. I agree wholeheartedly. I used Unity a number of years ago to make some pretty cool stuff, but it always felt like kind of a battle, whereas this feels like I'm playing in a sandbox, and there's just toys all over that I can kind of, you know, mess around with. Man, it's really getting crowded in there. I'll clear it up. So last stream I figured out how to get these like particle effects to actually blow up from the sprites. I think it looks pretty neat. But yeah, if you want, we've got a Discord over here that there's a whole bunch of folks in there that are, you know, learning game dev stuff together and posting really interesting things. Oh, and if you do any game dev stuff, feel free to self-promote in chat and the Discord, because I want to see it. And if you have anything to show, I'll try and bring it up on stream. Whoops. This one. What else was I? Oh, right, I'm making this thing. Nice, excellent. I definitely want to see projects. I was gonna make this thing start off with a scale of nothing. Yeah, okay. It's kind of going kind of funky like that. Yeah. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Oh, before, now that there's a few of you here, before I was streaming today, I was playing City of Heroes with this streamer. It was a lot of fun, and I was almost kind of hesitant to stop playing because, I don't know, I was just having a good time. But I really want to try and finish a game, so I'm committed to doing every night around this time until I'm done. So at least another week or two. Oh, and then for those who might be new, the whole theme of this channel is something that I'm trying to make content that you could use to wind down the evening, or in your case, wind up the morning, or put on in the background when you're working on something else, or even watch later to help you fall asleep. So I hope you enjoy your time here. Let's see. These lasers are going in like that. I'm gonna smooth out this curve like that. You know, I don't think I want to use scale to do it. I think I want to use like a color thing. Maybe. Color ramp. Okay. Okay. Let's try you. A gradient, new gradient. Alright, you're starting off black to white. What we actually want is... Whoops. I want to add a new one. Let me figure this out. How do I edit that? Oh, I edit it over here. So what I want to do... Yeah, start you off with 0 alpha, so that initial frame gets cut off so it's not displaying anymore. And then I also want to change this. So let's add one in the middle. Change you to also. Looks good. Now for you. Am I still online? Oh, I am. My my Twitch manager thing just restarted. What's up so early this morning, Ventus? Oh, good. Thanks for letting me know. Alright. It's looking pretty good. I wonder if I ramp it more like that. There's like a little bit of angle confusion in the middle there. I slept throughout the day yesterday, so I naturally got up at 3 a.m. this morning. Oh dear. Is it that early for you? Oh, nice. Good to hear you're working on games. Yeah, like I said, if you want me to bring anything up, just plop it in the chat. "5:41 a.m.? Holy smokes. I haven't gotten up that early in years. I'm kind of a night owl. Been 3D modeling and shader writing the past 2 hours. Nice! That's kind of next on the stuff I kind of want to learn about. Like, the model that you see me using, I just used Vroid Studio to make. And I kind of hacked some parts together. Like, if you notice my headphones, they're actually cat ears and glasses that I stuck together. Yeah. But yeah, Vroid Studio was pretty easy to set up something, you know, quick and easy. I used to be a night owl as well, and then I found out that if I wake up early enough, it still feels like the night time. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. But yeah, I guess that could work too. There's just something about, like, either the late night or I guess the early morning, where it just feels like the whole world is yours. You can do anything you want with it. Yep, exactly. Do I want this to be 100? No. I want you to be 0. Definitely not 0. I may want you to be wider, though. That's looking pretty good. Alright, let's... Feels so good. Indeed. Yeah, where I'm at, it's like almost 11 now. So, and I usually stream like quite a bit later. But I've kind of been trying to cut myself off a bit earlier, because if I stay up way too late, my work kind of suffers the next day. I mean, I still get the stuff done. It's just more difficult to like keep focus and. All right, let me think. That last little bit at the end there. Oh, I bet I could solve that if I go into here. Ramp you down like that. It's still kind of doing it. What else could I do? Maybe I need a damping curve? Let's try it. So the damping is going to get... No. Maybe? And then let's try giving you... Wait, you're at negative 100? Oh, that's neat. Let's do negative 200. Oh, that's getting neat too. Man, you could spend all day playing with these particle effects. Oh, do I not want gravity? I think that was it. Alright. Hi Exodrifter, how's your evening going? I think I've picked out at least 2 of your songs so far that I'm gonna want to purchase additional rights for. I'm still kind of going through the other ones though, so I'll get back to you soon. The box extends. It's going okay. I'm trying to figure out Haskell shenanigans right now. Nice. Sounds super interesting. And sounds good. Yep. Okay. Box, sphere, sphere radius. That's fun. It's so fun. Alright. Do I want it like that, or... Now what does it look like when I do this? Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. More. More. Oh, should I just have this floating in the background? Hi, Arrowax. I'm just playing around with particles again. Entering hyperspeed cruise control. Exactly. Yep. I wanted to make the prize area kind of have a bit more of an indication that you need to put stuff there, but then I got sidetracked with how pretty things look. Nice. Do you all know each other? I suppose if you all use Godot for stuff. It sounds like me with Google rabbit holes. Yep. yeah, streaming has felt almost more like a really neat way to hang out with folks than it does like anything else. Well, I hope to one day be counted amongst your number of Godot coders. I don't know if I'm quite proficient enough yet, but I'm trying. Okay, let's see if I do... That's pretty neat. What happens if I change you? Okay. And the spread... doesn't look like it changes anything. That's probably because I have a line Y set. Done. I mean, you're in Godot and you're coding. Well, you're part of the dream team now. Nice! That makes me really happy to hear that. But yeah, like I was saying before, if any of you ever want to you know, self-promote and stuff, feel free. I'll, you know, just plop it in the chat or on the Discord and I'll take a look at it. If I can. Like, if you're okay with me doing that. Alright, now let's see. Kinda want it like that. But I kinda want... doesn't change it. Kinda want only like half of it. How would I do that? Do that. Whoa. That's neat. Lencius, Aeroax, Aaron, Aerodal Strafe, Martyfair, Might Games, Feltman, that regular amongst each other's stream. That's a whole lot of folks. I will have to remember to check them all out. If any of you are... I should almost create a channel in the Discord stream where people can post, like, not necessarily self-promote, but cross-promote? I'm gonna do that right now, actually. We can rename it later, but I'll call it cross-promote. So yeah, yeah, for any of you in the Discord, please put any interesting streamers that you would like in cross-promote. Alright, that, and let's do 50, just to keep nice round numbers, and then... I don't know if I need anything else. Kinda would be nice if I could, like, make the ring more ovally. What happens if I give you some gravity? That's pretty neat. What happens if I give you more gravity? That's kind of weird. I think I like this better. I haven't had the chance to pop by yours, Casper, and didn't realize Fubar streamed. Falinir does Leoran Board Madness, and and is debating working with Godot, so semi counts. Well, I say, I mean, wait. Sorry, what is that? Oh, that looks super helpful. So you just have it on your tablet, and then you can just do stuff on it. That'd be really neat. Except made in Game Maker and a little iffy. I'd probably rather use something made in Godot, just, you know, for funsies. And I don't think Fubar streams, but he does develop in Godot. Nice! Yeah. I need to find all of these people's content. Seeing the stuff Val makes in Lyran board is why I'm working on that program. Oh, nice! It's great to find inspiration elsewhere. Yeah, I definitely watched, I should say I lurked on a few people's streams and on their YouTube channels and stuff before I kind of settled on, I'm gonna learn Godot. I bet I could add different colors in there, though I don't know if I need to. What does that do? Actually, yeah, let's make you a bit darker. Alright, let's actually see what this looks like. It's kind of a neat, subtle effect. Still kind of wish it could just be half, though, or like ovally. Whoop, maybe not that much. I think you could mask it or something. Like generate visibility rectangle? Or do you mean like put something in front of it? Visibility rectangle. What? What did I just do? I made that smaller. Either. Well, unfortunately I don't know 2D things, so I'm not sure how, but I know you can mask out parts. Let's see. A friend did it once with masking particles to text. It looked pretty interesting. Like made it so that, oh, so like if you had an image of text and then the particle effects would either only show up where there was text? Yeah, nice. That would be super cool. I could even have my sloppily mouse written put prize here stuff work. Yeah, I just don't know how it's done, unfortunately. Well, that's okay. Thanks for letting me know it's possible. I think I'm going to leave it like this for now. It's kind of like how it looks. And I'll try researching stuff later. But I think that's a good visual indicator that this is a space that wants things. It wants space. It's a space that is drawing you in. Put things here. Okay, test level. You're good. Now, the prize spawner mover, I feel like I need to refigure out how I want this to be. Because right now I've got it like this. And I don't think... Well, I kind of do want that, though. Or should that be path 2D, unit offset, path follow? I could set that on the prize spawner and just have it check to see, hey, do I have a parent that is a path follow 2D? If so, I should follow it. Or I should be adjusting this thing. Instead of having it in this scene, which then I have to go into if I ever want to change what this path is like. I think that's how I'm going to do it. Alright. So we have the prize. Yeah, that would work better on two fronts. Because right now I'm adding them to this one, but they're not being... yeah. Yes. That's how I want to do it. Okay. How do I do it? Grab all this code. Let's plop you in here for reference. Get rid of you. We want you guys to go up here. Whoops. Let's keep some semblance. There's kind of a lot of you here now. I was thinking sometime this weekend, or maybe for the streams this weekend, I was gonna do like code cleanup and refactoring, so it might not be that interesting. But if you want to stop by for just some chill times, I'll probably be streaming on and off throughout the weekend. And of course, ad pops up. Oh, well, I need to get better at figuring out when ads are going to play. I have the ads manager thing in the Twitch stream manager, but I feel like it's not alerting me. I've tried setting it down to the minimum amount of ads, but I think it's still going to do a 30-second one every hour. So, sorry about that. But yes, this weekend, I was thinking of doing a lot of code cleanup and refactoring. So I'll be streaming on and off, like throughout the weekend. So if you want just something to have on in the background, I'll be here cleaning up a lot of the junk that I've laid out. At least you don't have it like some streamers. They have it happen every 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything against people who want to like try to make a livelihood out of this. That's totally fine. But for me, I don't need this for any sort of money or whatever. And yeah, good old Twitch forcing ads. Like, I'd rather turn them off if I can. Oh, thanks for the follow, Sir Komodo. How's your evening going? But yeah, I don't... I wish I could turn them off, but I think the lowest I can get is what I have it set at. I'm happy that they weren't able to leave mid-roll ads in. Um, yeah, that'd be a bummer. Having a great day, thanks. Um, Good to have you here. Is this your first time here? If you want, I can kind of give you an overview. They had them for a bit. Now it's just pre-rolls. I felt like there was an option where I could turn those off, but maybe they're still playing. Nope. Dang. Well, I don't know what to do. I'll try. You have to run an ad every 30 minutes minimum for no pre-rolls. Oh, you know what? A 2-minute ad specifically. Oh, shoot. Well, once I get better at figuring out when ads will play, I'll try and actually use that time to I don't know, take a potty break or fill up my water jug or make some coffee. So at least it'll be an actual break and not just me randomly talking and then I get cut off. What? Did it happen again? Twitch ads are the only thing that my ad blocker can't consistently block. Oh, shoot. Yeah, well, thankfully it shouldn't pop up midstream, only if someone has to refresh. I'm using uBlock Origin, and it seems to do a pretty good job. Although I also have Twitch Prime, and I don't know if that gets rid of ads. It probably happens at different points for different people who come in and at different times to stream. And since it's Twitch, refreshing can be common. Well, I guess if you miss anything, feel free to ask me and I'll try to remember what I just said. I mean, not that anything I'm saying is all that important, but I mean, if you're curious, I'll be happy to repeat myself. Alright, let's see. I use uBlock too. Most of the time it works, but once in the blue moon, one of the Twitch ads manages to come through. I know that for uBlock Origin, if the domain that it's coming from is local to Twitch, or one of the Twitch controlled domains, blocking it's really hard. So yeah, sometimes it won't work. I used to work for a company that did ad stuff, so I kinda know. I forgot to re-enable uBlocker. Well, I absolutely don't mind if you want to block any ads on my stream. In fact, I insist. And having said that, maybe Twitch is gonna see it and be like, oh, we gotta stop sending this person anything. I have uBlocker, AdBlock Plus, and Pi-hole. I think uBlocker might actually have, so there's different things that call themselves uBlock. You need the one by, I think their name is Raymond Hill or something. But yeah, there's one that is actually the original one. AdBlock Plus, that one used to be pretty decent, but it's gotten a lot weaker over the years, and there's actually rumors of some behind the scenes stuff where they're kind of sneaking stuff through under the table. Pi-holes though, those are super neat, because that's doing everything I believe on the DNS level, so there's not a whole lot that the ads can do to circumvent that. Except, of course, like I was saying, if it's coming directly from a domain controlled by by Twitch or Amazon or whatever. But yeah, Extra Drifter, it's definitely a cat and mouse game, and I sometimes played the role of the cat, and I'm sorry. But to make up for it, I'm trying to not have ads as much as possible. Okay, in this one, I'm gonna keep you up here just for order's sake. Now you... Oh, you were in there too. Okay. So it's not gonna be that, but it'll be get parent. So I'll need to check if get parent, how do I check what kind of node you are? Get node or null? That looks like it might be helpful. So it would return null if it didn't find anything. I'm assuming. Similar to get node, but does not log an error if path does not point to a valid node. And I'm assuming in GD script, null is falsy, so that might be what I'm looking for. So if the parent... I'd need to get the parent of the parent. Null is falsy. Good to know. Let's do path 2D get parent. And then plop all you over. That's not gonna work. What I actually want to do is var, we'll call you path 2D equals, wait, we are the price spawner. We're getting the parent of the parent. Is there like a check type? Like, is node type this? Is node connected? Yeah, there's an is. Pre-roll ads are on. Run an ad break to disable them. Okay, I just saw that alert. Yeah, there's an just is. Test whether a variable extends a given class or is of a given built-in type. If node is 2D. Oh, is that easy? Nice. So if path 2D is path 2D, no. Then we do like this maybe? Can't assign to an expression. So I need to do instead get node like you. I'm betting that might work, or it might break. Only one way to find out. We gotta go in. Oh, weird. The Twitch manager window's freaking out again. Alright, let's do you. And to test you out, we are going to remove the prize spawner mover. We're going to add the path 2D. The path 2D will have a path follow 2D, and that will have a prize spawner, which I put... Oh, I keep forgetting I can just do this to look for things. Prize spawner, you. Now, let's get you into position. Wait, why can't I move you? Does the path needs to be the child of a node 2D? Now can I move you? Yes, I can. Oh yeah, the dragon in Godot is pretty funky. It seems like it. I'm getting the hang of it, I feel, though. I really need to get... I feel like I'm a lot more used to it than I was in the beginning, but using, like, the hotkeys for these up here. I feel once you get really good at it, you can cruise around pretty easy. Alright, I want to create a path. You select points. I want to add some points. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Will that... Did that connect? No, it didn't. How do I connect you? Close curve. Nice. This is a pretty weird one. Let's get you kinda... Let's get you kinda like that. No, close. Close them. Close. Select. Drag. What have I done? There's gotta be a way. Oh well, good enough for the test for right now. So we want loop it on. Is that enough? Will the code handle it, or will it break? Upside down backpack, but yeah, it's working. Nice. Also, I might not have a backpack be the thing that they come from. I think I'd rather, now that I know particle stuff, rather make like, I don't know, what do they call the opposite of a black hole? It's not a, no, it's not a wormhole. Well, when I figure out what that is, that's what I'll call it. It's this inverse hole that's spitting stuff out into the synthwave landscape. And you gotta put them in here because you are the claw machine. And I need to write a really extensive backstory for this game because it's gotta be super serious, right? Like, the opposite of a black hole would be a white hole. Is it that easy? Although, I have a few physicist friends, and I'm betting that's what they would call it, if for no other reason than to be cheeky. Let's clear up some area just because it's satisfying. Yeah, I'm liking how this all looks. Oh shoot! Sorry, Extra Drifter, I missed your hydrate a little while ago. Let me do that now. Yeah, Demonic Princess was in here right at the beginning, and she was letting me know that there's like an app that can alert you when these things happen that I really need to get and set up. Let's see. Glug glug. Yep, gotta gulp. Okay. Now I just remembered something. The prize spawner only has certain stuff set up as the default. So it's only got those things. So you know what? I almost want the prize spawner to just start with a default of like 3 things, right? And then maybe it'd be kind of cool if, like, as the levels go, I could introduce more things. Maybe. Or, and we could have like a shop mechanic where you spend coins to unlock new things that can drop. That'd be kind of neat too, I think. Let's see. I think I kind of want to call it for today. For whatever reason, I woke up super early, so I'm kind of getting sleepy earlier than I usually do. So I kind of want to raid K-Tan, because I was playing with her earlier, and it was a lot of fun. So let's bring it full circle, if you're all okay with that. Alright. We're on our way out. Bye!
Jewelry store. Oh, that's good. That's great. Yo, Standard Protocol.